Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just to become a Canadian citizen, congratulations. Now it is a time to apply for your Canadian passport. I will show you the step-by-step process in this video. First we need to open our web browser and write down here Canadian passport application. Here you can see apply for a new adult passport in Canada. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. Now I click on that link. Apply for a new adult passport in Canada. Now scroll down. Here you can see sections. What you need to apply for a passport. Click here. And here you can see checklist, proof of Canadian citizenship, a document to support your identity, two identical passport photo, grantor, two reference, passport photo requirements, and what your grantor need to do and who can be one. Who can be a reference for you and who cannot be reference for you. Now we need to click on this link, get the form and submit application. Click here. Here you can see complete the form. Fill out the form on your computer to save the time. And save the form on your computer and use Adobe Reader 10 or higher to open it. Do not use phone or tab or open it in your web browser. So now we need to download the adult passport application PPTC 153 form. So now I need to click on that link. Here you can see form adult journal passport application, type or print in capital letter using black or dark blue ink. Personal information, surname, last name. Here I enter surname, given name. Here you can see given name and all former surname including surname at birth if different from above. This will not appear in your passport. I leave this section. I have no any previous surname I use. And anticipated date of travel. It is recommended that you do not finalize travel plan until you receive the request passport. If you have any plan, then you can enter any randomly date here, otherwise you can leave it. Surname of parents at their birth. I fill here parents surname, applicant's place of birth Pune, country India, date of birth sex female, and natural eye color brown. If you don't know about your eye color, then you can check on your driving license, and height you can check on the driving license. Current home address, I randomly fill here home address, street, city, province, postal code. Mailing address, if different from current home address, then you have to need fill here your mailing address, otherwise you do not need enter here. Email address, you have to need fill here email address, telephone number, and sign within border. While signing, do not touch this box, and after that you need enter here date, city and province. Declaration of grantor, see instructions, section J. You or your grantor can complete this section with the exception of the 4 field in bold which must be completed by your grantor, this one. And here you can fill grantor surname, grantor name, grantor date of birth, grantor passport number, issue date, expiry date, and relationship with your grantor, my friend, and telephone number primary. If they have any other number, then you can enter, otherwise you can leave this box. And current address, Edmonton, city, province and postal code. Here you need a grantor signature. I have no the applicant for number of year, like 5 years, 7 year, 10 year, you can write down here. And date, city, province. Previous Canadian travel documents, see instructions section K, has a Canadian travel document, passport, certificate of identity, or refugee travel document have been issued to you in your current name or any other name? If yes, you need to enter number and date of issue. I have no any other document, so I click here no. Would you like to previous passport to cancel and return to you? If you want save previous passport, then you need to click here, otherwise you can leave. If you want destroy, then leave, and if you want save, then you have to click in yes. Proof of Canadian citizenship, see instructions section M. To be completed if you were born in Canada. Then you have to need fill this, and like if you have a birth certificate, then you enter registration number and date of issue. I have no birth certificate, so I will leave this one. To be completed if you were born outside of Canada. I am born outside of Canada, so I need fill this one. So first, certificate of Canadian citizenship if issued before February 1 2012, submit the original certificate, and on the after February 1 2012, submit the original or copy of certificate. Certificate of registration of birth board issued by registry or Canadian citizenship. So I click here and fill certificate number and affected date of citizenship. To be completed if you were born outside of Canada between February 15, 1977 and April 16, 1981 inclusive, you do not complete this section if you presenting a certificate of Canadian citizenship issued after January 1st, 2017. So I'm not under this section, so I leave this. Document to support identity. You need to provide at least one document to support your identity. If you have a driving license, then you can enter here driving license, type of document, document number, expiry date, and your name as it appears on the document. Like I fill my name. And if you do not have any driving license, then you can enter here province ID. Like in Alberta have a Alberta ID, in BC have a BC ID, so you can enter here type of ID. Period of validity. C. Instruction section C. Choose one of following period of validity. You want 5-year or 10-year. I click here for 10-year my passport, and after that I will renew. Additional personal information. Address in the last 2 years, same as current home address, different from current home address. If you have a same address, you do not need enter here any, and you can see you have indicate that your current address is the same as your address in the last 2 years. If this is correct, please click yes and move to the occupation section. If this is incorrect, please click no and complete this section. So if you have a different address, then you can click here and enter here address, and if you have a same address at present from the last 2 years, then you do not enter here any additional information. Occupation in last 2 years, here you need to fill, like I am a full-time employer, so I need to fill my information here. If you are not a full-time employer, then you need to click on part-time, and if you have unemployment, then you need to fill here unemployment, and here you can enter your home address. Reference, here we need to fill 2 reference, and if the person is on work permit, they cannot be used as a reference. Only Canadian citizen or permanent resident PR person can be used as a reference for a Canadian passport application. First, I need to enter my reference surname, given name, and relation like friend, address, and a telephone number, email address, and has know me from like a 7 year. Second reference, like I fill all the information related to my reference, and I do not need any signature from my reference. We need only signature from grantor. Emergency contact information, here you can fill your partner information for emergency, and you need signature here applicant, not a any emergency contact person. So adult journal passport application, and if you want you can check checklist from here. Fee and period of validity, here you can see period of validity 10 year and Canadian dollar 160, and for 10 year. Payment method, if you apply in person then you do not need to fill this section, otherwise you need to fill. And one more, if the applicant does not have a Visa or MasterCard, a family member or friend can provide their card detail, but the card holder must sign here, and otherwise applicant fill here all information, card type, and name, card number, detail, and date of expiry, name of applicant, and signature of card holder if you have a family member and friend and applicant. So here sign only card holder and enter date. After that you can see mailing address here, and personal information, here you can see how to do signature. This is the correct way, not do this like this. And here you, if you want you can read about grantor, and here you can see Canadian passport photo instructions. After filling the form, you are ready for save, and read all the information very carefully, which one you fill. And if you submit online, then you need first 4 paper till here. I show you till here. And if you submit your application in person, then you need only 3 papers. Thank you for watching my video. If you want watch more videos related to forms, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.